15 seconds. And here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Entered ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the NROL 95 mission from the National Reconnaissance Office, supported by the U.S. Space Force. SpaceX confirming a nominal telemetry about 1 minute into flight, coming up to max Q as the rocket is now flying faster than the speed of sound.
There's that call up.
Rocket passing through max Q, throttling back up on those 9 Merlin 1D engines. Coming up next will be MVAC chill. Upper stage engine currently in MVAC chill. Coming up to a few events next in quick succession. There will be first stage main engine cutoff, or MECO, at about T plus 2 minutes and 11 seconds. That will be followed by stage separation, the ignition of that upper stage engine, and then the start of the boost back burn. Coming up to MECO. And we have MECO. Stage separation.
Stage separation confirmed.
Second stage engine start.
MVAC startup.
And a good start.
Stage 1 boost back startup.
And there we heard the callouts for MECO, stage separation, SES-1, and the start of the boost back burn.
And that great nebula-like effect with the plumes of the booster and the upper stage interact with one another. The start of this boost back burn, which will last less than a minute in duration, putting the Falcon 9 first stage 1096 on a good trajectory back for a landing at LZ2.
There's the confirmation of fairing separation. Coming up, we should hear the call out for boost back burn shutdown on Falcon 9's first stage.
Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
And a good conclusion of the boost back burn. 3.5 minutes into flight. At the request of the NRO, there will be no upper stage views provided on this mission. A little bit hard to see, but you can just make out the extension of the hypersonic grid fins on the booster. Looks like SpaceX may have made some adjustments and improvements to the onboard cameras, since we're seeing a little bit more in these nighttime views than we have with some previous flights. Looks like it might see some flashes of lightning offshore. Meteorologists had been tracking for the possibility for interference from anvil clouds. Coming up on 5 minutes into the mission so far. The next milestone will be the 3-engine entry burn, where the booster will reignite 3 out of the 9 Merlin engines and help to slow the stage down as it makes its approach back towards Florida's Space Coast. The boost back burn will last about 30 seconds in duration. Coming up to the start of the entry burn, 6 minutes in flight. Entry burn set to begin in a little more than 30 seconds from now.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
There's the call out for the entry burn startup on the Falcon 9 first stage. This burn is set to last about 17 seconds and again is slowing down the vehicle in preparation for its final burn and landing.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
And with the conclusion of the entry burn, you can see the lights of the Space Coast getting brighter and brighter. Landing burn is coming up next, just past the 8-minute mark in flight, so about 30 seconds from now. And that will take this booster down to what will hopefully be a soft landing at landing zone 2. Booster now in terminal guidance, meaning that it's about to begin its next burn. Stage 2 is in terminal guidance, meaning that its burn is about to end. The booster's burn is about to begin. Landing burn. Good landing of the Falcon 9 rocket. Listening for the delayed sonic boom. Taking a look inside of SpaceX facilities in Hawthorne, California. Again, the National Reconnaissance Office requested that no upper stage views be shown from this mission. The NRO will confirm a good deployment of its payload after the fact. Nice little wave there from SpaceX Mission Control. Look back now at the empty pad as Falcon